Why should I inspect my outdoor unit after storms? You should inspect it for debris, flooding, visible damage, and blocked airflow before turning it on, because storm problems can reduce efficiency or create electrical and safety hazards. After a storm, look at the outdoor air conditioning or heat pump unit from a safe distance first. Check whether leaves, branches, mud, or trash are covering the top, sides, or coil fins. Blocked fins make it harder for the system to release heat, so the unit may run longer and use more electricity. Look for standing water, shifted panels, bent fins, loose wires, cracked covers, or damage from hail. If floodwater reached the electrical parts, do not touch the unit or switch it on, because hidden water can cause shock or a fire. Turn off power at the home's electrical panel only if you can do so safely and the area is dry. One detail many people miss is that small hail dents can restrict airflow even when the unit still appears to work normally. Take clear pictures, keep children away, and call a qualified heating and cooling technician if you notice serious damage, unusual sounds, burning smells, or poor cooling. A common mistake is turning the system on immediately to see whether it works, but this can worsen electrical or mechanical damage, so inspect it first. Another mistake is spraying a dirty outdoor coil with strong water pressure, which can bend the delicate fins. Use gentle water only after power is safely disconnected, or let a professional clean it. People also assume that a unit that runs must be fine, but weak airflow, repeated shutoffs, or strange noises can signal hidden storm damage, so stop using it and arrange an inspection. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.